You can apply automatically specific style, font, color, formatting in your text or number with the help of Grep style. Let's see how. Hi guys, welcome to the graphics. Simply you have to select your text in which you want to apply Grep style and go on this flyout button, and here you can find the option of Grep style. Just click on new Grep style. Here you have to write rejects. Now what is rejects? On this topic I will get a separate video. Just I will show you how you can work on it. For instance, currently it's a default digit. For creating style, simply you have to click here, and here you can find the option of new character style. For instance, I want to color all the available number in the paragraph. I want all the numbers in blue colors. If you want to format or style any specific character, simply you have to create a new Grep style. Now as you can see, here all the style has been changed. Even though if you write any number where we have applied Grep style, it will take blue color automatically. And also if you write any character A to C, it's a very too much useful option in Adobe InDesign. It saves our time and we can format over all the document any specific character very quickly through the Grep style. So hope this video was helpful for you. So please subscribe my channel for more useful content. Thank you.